Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up command blocks in Minecraft. First, you need to make sure cheats are enabled in your world. If you're in a single-player game, you can open it to LAN and allow cheats there. This is crucial because command blocks require administrative permissions to function. Once cheats are active, you'll want to switch your game mode to creative. This allows you to easily access and place the command block without worrying about survival limitations. Now that cheats are enabled, let's get the command block itself. You can't craft these blocks, so you'll need to use a specific command. Open your chat window and type /give_it_p Minecraft command block. The @p targets the nearest player, which will be you. After executing this command, a single command block will appear directly in your inventory, ready for placement. It's a powerful tool, so handle it with care. With your command block in hand, you can place it anywhere in your world, just like a regular block. Once placed, right-click it to open its graphical user interface. Here, you'll see a text field labeled Command Input. This is where you'll type the specific command you want the block to execute. Remember to use the correct syntax for your commands. After entering your command, simply click the Done button to save it. Command blocks come in 3 main types: impulse, chain, and repeat. Impulse blocks execute a command once when powered. Chain blocks run commands in sequence when connected to other active command blocks. Repeat blocks, on the other hand, continuously execute their command as long as they are powered, making them great for constant effects. Each type has unique uses for different automation needs. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.